Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, October 30th. We're looking at window traders. Market profile of the ES and the NQ. So remember, NQ goes out along with ES as a trend day yesterday. Double distribution for ES, a triple for NQ, which was 5 distributions till late in the day. NQ also ended with an outside day up. So pretty bullish. NQ is not that far away, my friends, from their all-time high. Their all-time high is in the overnight at 984. Regular trading hours is 917. Right now, the monthly high in NQ is this morning's pre-market or last night's overnight. Okay, so we'll see if that's going to get taken out. Wide overnight POX, 15 for ES, 16 for NQ right now. Righty also a wide overnight. Remember, the dailies are in balance. All right, depends on what you want to call them. I would probably use, for righty's sake, Monday's high as your balance high. And then it depends. Do you want to use yesterday's low or do you want to go all the way back to the 23rd? Again, that's subjective. In ES and NQ's case, for me, 3-day balance, right? Friday, Monday, Tuesday. Friday is the entire balance because Monday and Tuesday has traded inside of it for ES. In NQ's case, it's yesterday because they traded below Friday's low and above Friday's high. So if we come out of yesterday's high to the upside in NQ, the daily will be firmly up. Again, the weekly is something you have to determine whether you want to call it up already or want to see them get the all-time high. Again, very subjective. We'll see how the week plays out. There's a lot happening. Google's up this morning. From what I saw, AMD is down. And then tonight after the close, you have Microsoft and Facebook reporting earnings. So 2 more big tech stocks. As far as the game plan, well, again, front-running overnight highs or lows, if you're right near them on the opening, seems to work. Right now, overnight, 100% long in ES, 100% long in NQ. Now, there's still 75, 80 minutes to go prior to the opening, so we'll see if that changes. But for now, the overnight is definitely long. So keep that in mind. There's not much inside the upper distribution in ES if you get the overnight low, right? Below that, you would have the afternoon pullback in G. Here's a lot of visual areas here. Pullback, value low, half back above the single prints. Not a bad risk-reward long the first time, but it would be in balance in value if it went down there. Plus, you would have the overnight low at that point. NQ, a little different. Even if you get the overnight low, doesn't mean value has to go to totally unchanged. And then you can see if they take back one distribution and take a long against G's low. These are all early plays, right? This is what we're talking about starting at 9:15 every morning. Okay? So, give me 1 second here. And then let's just look at the chart. So here you go. Here's ES. Again, 3-day balance. It's a 3-day balance, but basically look at this whole thing right here. It just encompasses this whole thing. This market is waiting for more information. Are we going to get it prior to the election and the Fed? That remains to be seen. That's why I say be wary of breakouts. However, NQ's breakout went yesterday, but I think the majority or the main reason for that is the dealers were caught short in the options market and had to come in and buy the underlying NQ. Good luck trading today. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing to this channel, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.